Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Just like they say, believe in yourself and amazing things can happen when you try. I have been hand lettering one quote a day for the entire month of September. It was not just lettering and exploring watercolors, but this also brought in so much positivity into my life. I am sharing my hand lettered projects with you. This is my little way of spreading some positivity. I hope you will like it.